Today, I'll reveal the top 5 courses to excel in 2024's high-demand technical and manual careers. Welcome to my channel, your source for the latest trends and tips in education and career. If you're new here, hit subscribe and the bell icon for updates on my content. I'd love to hear about your dream technical or manual career, so don't forget to share in the comments below. HVAC technician training: learn heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Install, repair, and maintain HVAC systems. Median wage in 2020 was $50,590, with 4% projected job growth from 2020 to 2030. Training duration varies from 6 months to 2 years. Welding Technology: master the art of welding various metals using heat and pressure. Earn a median wage of $44,190 in 2020, with a 3% job growth projection from 2020 to 2030. Training durations range from weeks to years. Carpentry: craft wooden structures like houses, furniture, and cabinets. Median wage in 2020 was $49,520, with no significant job growth projected. Training varies from months to years. Electrical engineering technology: explore electrical systems and their applications. Median wage for electrical and electronics engineering technicians in 2020 was $66,260, with a minor job decline of -1% from 2020 to 2030. Training can take 2 to 4 years. Heavy equipment operator training: learn to operate and maintain heavy machinery. Median wage in 2020 was $49,440, with a 4% projected job growth from 2020 to 2030. Training takes weeks to months. These are the top 5 courses for 2024. If you found this helpful, please like and share. For more on education and career topics, check out my other videos and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.